everyone, and welcome. I wanted to try a new tool I just got. I got myself one of those mini airbrushes off of Amazon, and I just wanted to try that with a bloom technique. And because I'm just wanting to really quickly try the tool, I'm using ready mixed paints. I'm using the Boom gels for, well, they're lovely colors. I love the paints, but they're also very, very convenient when you want to do some quick testing and trying off techniques. I'll pop a link to the airbrush in my description below. And while I'm just prepping the little canvas board, yeah, this is just it's a cute little, it's only a 5-inch canvas board, but again, I think it's fantastic for trying new things. Very inexpensive, but it's good because it is a canvas board, so it'll behave the same as a canvas would, so you'll get an idea of what the effect is going to be once you get to doing sort of bigger sizes and whatnot. So yeah, I just want to try a bloom, and I have some of these Boom gel stains. I've got Pearlescent Cherry. Let's pop that just there. Might be too much already, I don't know. And I'm just wanting to blow it in this direction here. Next, let's pop in some Pearlescent Red, a little bit less of that. Just a little tiny squiggle there. Oh, and while I have you, if you could subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. That would really help me grow the channel. And hit like, and yeah, leave me a comment. I love reading everybody's comments. What you think, what you'd like to see. You know, I'm still pretty much a beginner myself, but I think it's fun to share all these techniques and hopefully grow together in this art form. Right, and I also popped in some metallic gold. I'll put all the colors in the description. Okay, and next goes in the cell activator, which is Amsterdam Oxide Black, 1 part, and 3 parts Australian Floetrol, or what I like to call liquid gold. You know, it is the best product for getting that amazing lacing going. And I'm just gonna pop it in this end here because, like I said, I want the design to go that way. Right, let's try this airbrush. I have never yet tried this. It's not too noisy either. I like it. Okay, interesting. Wonder if I need to turn it down the power there a little bit. Yeah, that's a bit less, not enough. There's like a little valve there that you can't see, it's off camera, where you can adjust the strength of the airflow. I like it because you can even get these heavier paints moving pretty well. My lacing isn't quite what I would like it to be, but that's okay. Spread that out a little bit more. The gold has pretty much done a disappearing act on me. There we go. Right, I may want to play with it just a little bit. Just bear with me while I get something. I didn't pull out all my tools because I was just going to do a very, very quick quick test, but actually what I want to do now, right, what's happening here, see the white sort of cells or pearls starting to grow. What's happening there is the Bloom Gel Stirling Wax White is reacting now, and I like that. I like that it's breaking up the sort of sections of color there a little bit. I like using Stirling Wax White for that, but it can go completely nuts and crazy and take over your design, so you do want to be a little bit careful with it. Okay, really not prepared with everything I perhaps should have here, because like I said, I just wanted to do a really quick test. But what I will do is, because I think it looks kind of like a flower, here's the bottom of it, I will add a tiny bit of emerald, another Bloom Gel, and see if I can just get it to go down in the other direction and perhaps look like a stem, maybe. Let's see where this little idea takes us. Put that back on, and I'm just gonna really lower the power of the airflow now, because I don't want this bit here to go completely nuts. Oh god, yeah, not quite what I wanted, but and just push that down there. I like this airbrush, it's so easy to manipulate. Okay, I'm not entirely pleased with that. That did not do what I wanted it to do, but you know, that's okay. It's all a learning process. So I'm just gonna go in and just very gently try and mess with it with just my finger, and hopefully not entirely mess it up. No, I'm not pleased with that bit there. So what I think I will do now is wipe off the part I'm not happy with. Again, could have done with pulling out all the necessary tools. Oh well, still fun to do a quick experiment. I'm actually doing this before heading for work today, so again, why I'm hesitant to get all my tools and everything out. I quite like what's happening there, even though it's not at all intentional. So what I'll do is just pop a little bit of the green there. That's the emerald. It's a metallic. All of these are metallic apart from the Stirling Wax White. And then pop some of that white there, and just on the other side as well, and perhaps at the top here, and swipe through that. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed. That's what I always tell myself at this stage. Right, I might want to rip some strips off this paper towel and just go in right there. Not very delicate goings on here. Not much green there, but I think it looks better. I think I kind of rescued the attempt there. Let me know what you think. Ruined, not ruined? What do you think? There's a little bit more green just revealing itself there. I like that. So I'm just gonna put in just a little teeny bit more of the Stirling Wax White. Okay, for some reason I have 2 bottles of this stuff going here. Okay, let's just cover that there and try and get some sort of an illusion of a stem-ish thing going on. There we are. I think that'll do. Let's try and not ruin it anymore. Or ruin it. I don't know, I think I like it. There we go. There we are. And yeah, I think it might be time to just almost leave it alone. You know, you never know when it's done. Well, I don't. Oh crud, I didn't want that to pull through there. Never mind. Let's see if we can. No, we can't fix that bit. It's getting worse. Oh, I like what's happening there though. Perhaps I'll let that be. Leave that be because there's interesting stuff happening there. As you can see, I'm not being all that methodological with this little experiment, but I think that's part of the fun of when you don't have anything in particular or anything very specific in mind. You can just sort of let loose and see where the little painting or design takes you. Okay, I think I'm done, more or less done messing with this. Just gonna see if I can get rid of that little bit of red there. Make it a bit more of a tidy design perhaps. Okay, and now I am gonna leave it. I promise you, I promise myself I'm gonna leave it now, because I like that. That will look really, really cute in a tiny little frame perhaps, or you could glue it onto some heavy cardstock and frame it. That would look nice actually. Just glue this little canvas board on some colored board, cardboard, perhaps black, red, I don't know. And because these canvas boards are tiny, I think they're 5 inches diameter, 5 inches square, they don't bend, even with a heavier paint layer. In my experience, they don't bend, so they're really, really, really good for these tiny little designs, and you can just let loose with it. You don't have to tape the back of the board or anything like that. Okay, and I know the Stirling Wax White looks uneven in places. That's fine, because the gel is self-leveling and it will dry nice and level. So yeah, I'll just show you close up where we are. After a while though, I'm gonna leave this for a few minutes. Actually probably more like half an hour at least, because the Stirling Wax White is a rather interesting paint. It does these amazing pearl structures when combined with the other boom gels. So I will leave that for a while and I'll come back to it with you a little bit later. Okay, thanks, bye. Okay, so here it is. I like the way that turned out. I have to say there's a huge learning curve with the airbrush, as with everything else. But yeah, I like the design nonetheless. I think it's kind of cute. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind, please let me know what you think in the comments, and please hit subscribe. And yeah, that was me done for this quick experiment, and I will speak to you all soon. Thanks very much for being here. Bye.